Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Anthea and my channel is a place for skincare, hair care and makeup. If that's your thing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Today we are going to be making this amazing aloe vera and tea tree night leave-on facial mask. This mask is going to leave your skin so smooth because it improves the skin tone, it clears the skin, it prevents acne, and it clarifies and refreshes the skin as well as soothes and heals the skin. All you need is a small bowl like this one for mixing, some aloe vera gel and some tea tree essential oil and a storage container. So a mixing spatula and measuring spoons. We are going to put 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in our mixing bowl. We shall add 5 drops of tea tree oil. Mix this well. Transfer it into your storage container. To use this, apply directly to clean skin at night before bed. If you are using fresh aloe vera gel, please keep this refrigerated. That's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. See you in my next video.